Welcome to Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse News. Yeah, and you're right. And today, wait, we only forgot what? What's gonna happen, Mickey Mouse? The thunder. What thunder? This thunder. Did you see that? Well, get off our seats then. No. Should I use this as a microphone, Mickey? Yes. Tire alert. There's a thunderstorm coming about to... What? Warning. There's a thunder coming. On Gabriel, on Mickey Mouse and Mickey Mouse News. So get to the... Oh, did you see that? Yeah. It's the thunder. No, I was pretending to make a video. I saw it before. That means there's gonna be a lightning strike. Yeah. Let's see if we get it again. Did you see that? Whoa, that's a big one. Whoa. What? Saw it again. Let me try. Warning, a storm is coming right now. I'll use the walkie-talkie.
Sunshine and all of Earth's creatures are living in
Unicorny? Yes, Mickey? There's a storm coming. Wait, this video has thunderstorms? Yes, but just look at that storm. I think you're overreacting, Mickey. I don't see anything. Who's doing it then? Is it going to be The show has news. That's better than us. Just forget.
Numa tentativa de rebater críticas à política do governo sobre pesticidas agrícolas, os agrotóxicos. A ministra afirmou que o Brasil respeita todas as normas internacionais e disse que o consumidor deve ficar tranquilo.
A ministra da Agricultura, Tereza Cristina, chamou a imprensa para defender as recentes medidas tomadas para regular o uso de agrotóxicos no país. Tereza Cristina afirmou que o governo observa todas as normas, estudos e referências internacionais.
Walkie-talkie!
Este ano, o governo liberou o registro de 262 agrotóxicos. 7 são novos. Os demais são classificados como genéricos ou equivalentes. Cada um deles é aprovado pelo Ministério da Agricultura, Agência de Vigilância Sanitária e IBAMA. Enquanto o ministro falava com os jornalistas, da Câmara dos Deputados.
Thank you for watching. Please give a like if you like the episode, Season 1, Episode 1, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse News. Yep, see ya.